Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream caramel. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Make sure your baking dish is ready for the next steps. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of water. Heat it gently without stirring until it transforms into a gorgeous, deep amber color. Be quick but careful as you pour this hot caramel directly into the bottom of your chosen baking dish. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until just combined. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's steaming, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your creation. Pour the custard mixture over the caramel in your dish. Place the dish in a larger pan filled with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until set, about 45 to 55 minutes. Chill for at least 4 hours, then invert onto a plate for a truly delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.